Can you pick up a rental for $0 to $20,000? Yes, you can. Emily and I did it last year. You do that using what we call the BRRRR method, which stands for buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. Not rocket science, you just need to know how to do it. So, to use the BRRRR method, you need to find a deal. Emily and I found a deal through notice of default pre-foreclosure. It was a condo. We bought it using cash, other people's money, $79,000. So we bought it, we're in it, 79 grand, other people's money. Step 2 is the rehab. We calculated that we needed $15,000 to $20,000 in rehab costs to make it either a flip or a rental property. The property's value, once fixed up, we projected to be $115,000. Right now, it's actually worth $121,000. Once it was fixed up, we found renters using a free website called cozy.com or cozy.co, one or the other, you'll have to check. But that's what we use, and we rent it out for $1,025 a month. When we refinanced, we had a loan for $79K. We had put $15K in for rehab. We were sitting at $94,000. When you refinance, you can take all that equity and all that money you put into it. It'll pay off all the rehab and all the money you borrowed. So now, overall, I have a rental property, $0 down. Once you take the equity out and refinance, you get all the money back, but you use other people's money for the purchase and for the rehab. So let's go over the numbers of what we have. Our cash flow per month after all expenses is $250 a month. Principal pay down, it's about $100 a month. Depreciation and taxes, it's probably going to give us a $1,000 to $5,000 tax benefit. If we times that by 12, we are looking at principal pay down of $1,200. See, $2,400, $6,000. We're probably looking at about $3,000 in cash flow a month. And with the depreciation, nice thing is no taxes on my income. My renters pay my principal pay down per year. So for all the work we did, we're making close to all the benefits together, $5,000 a year. And all it took was using the BRRRR method. So now that we've done these, our next step is to repeat. So in year 2020, you can probably guess what we're going to try to do. I got my realtor's license. I'm going to get a rental number 2. And then my cash flow will double. My passive income will go up, which will, over time, I will have 10 rentals that will eventually replace my W income and provide me retirement. Work smart, not hard. That is the BRRRR method. If you have any questions, direct message me. Pretty cool formula. Anyone can do it. Just need to know how. This was the quick and dirty explanation of how to do it. There's a lot more details involved, but if you have any questions, like I said, shoot me a message.